Hey friends, welcome to week 1 of my first ever Bakemas. Today I'm making a winter wonderland cake. Also note that I don't feel great. To start, I have a 10-inch cake board and I am just smearing a little frosting to make the cakes stick. I have 3 vanilla cake rounds that I'm going to use. I'm using a simple buttercream to fill the cakes. Here I remember that I was going to drizzle my cakes with an almond simple syrup. See, I don't feel well in my mind somewhere else. Easy fix, just scrape off the buttercream and add the syrup. Then re-smear the buttercream on the cake. Next, add the next cake layer. I trimmed mine to add the syrup to the cake. Here I changed my frosting colors because I'm going to do an ombre fade and I thought it was a good idea. Remember, I'm not feeling the best. Then add the final layer and make sure that it is all in line with the other layers. Now we're going to do a crumb coat. This will seal in any flaky bits of cake that want to try and escape and ruin your frosting. As you can see, the blue frosting on the second layer was unnecessary. Now I'm going to throw it in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. After the cake is chilled, it's time to decorate. I am starting with the white frosting around the bottom and the blue frosting around the top. Then I'm going to dot the blue and the white frosting through the middle to start the fade process. Now you just need to smooth around the edges to see if you need to add any touch-ups or change up your coloring. Here I just smeared the blue and white together to make the frosting fade look a bit more natural. And then I added some frosting for touch-ups and the blue frosting on the top. Just smooth everything down until you're happy with how it looks. That's all that really matters. The edges were something that I could have spent hours on, but had to just stop and move on because, honestly, people are more interested in how it tastes. Now it's meringue time. I made meringue snowflakes and blobs to decorate the sides with. Yeah, I dropped that one and this one. But remember, I'm kind of sick. Then I used my blue frosting with a large star tip to make 6 blobs around the top of the cake, alternating those with meringue blobs. I then added some small dots to the side to really just add to the it's snowing down the side of my cake effect. I like it. I liked making meringue, so why not use it all? And we're done! Winter Wonderland Cake. Bakemas Week 1 complete. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with more Bakemas. Oh, I forgot to change the thing.